Y'all have seen already what we're working with today. So we got the 24x14 custom red powder coated American Force wheels. Amp tires, absolutely beautiful. Holy crap, this is just solidifying the fact that I have to redo at least the wheels and the lift red. I definitely have to do that. Even if, I mean, if I just leave that silver or get it wrapped some other kind of silver or gray, I have to do the red wheels with the silver. It looks so good. It looks really freaking good. Again, this is just solidifying the fact that I have to do 24s and red on this truck. Definitely the only thing I'm going to tell you right now is I think the tires look kind of small because they're 35 1350 and I'm used to seeing 375s on it. And I can definitely tell you a bunch of the suspension, the bow tie, maybe a little piece of the headlights, maybe some other stuff. I mean, all kinds of stuff is going to end up red if I don't just do all red, just all together. So, and honestly, now that I have the little bit of red with the control arms, it just goes so much better with it. But I'm at a loss for words. It looks so freaking good. I would definitely put some 375s onto these wheels if I did get them, or something like this. That's definitely in the plan, would be to get 375s, because I mean that's that wide bow tie, you know, is known for having the 375s. I got to stick with the 375 gang, and I've always wanted 24s, so I have a feeling this is definitely a direction I want to go with. I would almost want to do an all red though, just because that's what I like. I'm definitely putting 375s back on it once we get the, you know, red wheels at some point. If y'all like the video, make sure to hit like and subscribe. As Joey's putting the last wheel on, I just got to torque my last one. We're about done here. I might be leaving Florida potentially. New truck meet this weekend. Y'all stay tuned for that. That's gonna be our next video. On Sunday is the truck meet video. Y'all stay tuned for that. It's gonna be a great turnout. Gonna be a lot of great people there. Hope to see some of y'all there. But that's gonna end it for today's video. If y'all liked it, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. Join the bread gang. Let's get this bread. Oh, this is a big moment. I don't even have my center caps yet. What am I supposed to do? I don't have my center caps yet. Andy, I need my center caps. Didn't know this was happening, but we're gonna lift my truck today apparently. It's a big moment in my life, Jake.
It is a pretty big moment. It's a big moment in my life. That's why I'm out here with the camera. I don't even know why I'm filming.
Oh man. Red lift kit, red wheels. This is terrifying because I have so much crap that I have to do. Welding camber pins, and we gotta get the faceplates aren't on. I mean, none of the stuff that I was supposed to do has been done yet. Oh my God. What if it's not done today? What am I gonna do?
Find a ride home, buddy. Hey.
I'm asleep at the shop tonight.
Are you waiting on this?
What?
Are you waiting on this?
Am I waiting on this right now? My own truck. Got my Mcgaughys kit. My KG1s going on today. Yeah, if it ain't done, I'm look at this though. Dirty. That's freaking nasty. About to find out how bad my truck really is. It's so weird because I haven't had my truck tore down like this in 5 or 6 years. And the last shop that did my truck was in Tallahassee. And that shop and the guy that did the lift kit at that shop that shop's not in business anymore, and that guy doesn't work there obviously. He works at another shop in Tallahassee. So I'm kind of interested to see, because we see all kinds of builds that come through here and we're like, dang, they did this, or this shop did this, and I'm kind of looking at my own truck now like, I really hope they didn't mess anything up. But I got the lift kit over here, spindles, front and rear traction bars, compression struts, cross members, all my hardware, upper control arms. Pretty cool. I'm getting traction bars this time around, all my hardware in this one. Pretty excited. The only thing I'm missing today is I will not have my center caps in yet. So those will be coming in the next couple of weeks, or a couple of days actually. They're shipping out today. This is my old lift kit. I'm gonna get this repowder coated for one of you guys to win and take home. And then I got my polished faceplates that are going on it. So freaking excited. You have no idea. It's unreal. Look at that color under there though.
Bro, what are you talking about?
You gotta have light. If you got a color like this, you gotta have lights on it. You got to.
Bro, what are you fucking talking about right now? You fucking,
look at that color though.
Fucking cheddar cheese ball.
Look at that color though.
Bro.
We done spray painted the frame.
Bro, we didn't spray paint. That's fucking out of gun, dude. Don't tell them that.
Nah, that's good paint. That's good paint. We ain't going out like that. I need to do something about these lower control arms though. That's for damn sure.
Oh my God.
We'll get there. What? have to get wheel lights now, though. I feel like I have to get wheel lights.
What do you mean? Yes, you're fucking Alex from Southern Tire. You have to.
You think? I really didn't want wheel lights, but I feel like I'm kind of obligated to get wheel lights now. Cause that, think about a white wheel light in there or red.
Let me be honest with you.
God dang, bro.
The truck don't look that old.
Really?
Except for that busted ass piece of rubber inside the coil spring.
Yeah, I was just telling them when I walked out, I need to do something about the lower control arms, and I need to do something about the spring and the mount. What? Those are old ones.
I bought new aluminum ones online for like 150 bucks a piece.
Really?
Yeah.
It's got everything's new on here except the lower control arm bushings. Other than that, everything is new. All the bushings, upper control arms, spindles, bearings are the same though.
I'm getting...
Still running stock bearings over here, baby.
I'm getting 2019 vibes over here, I ain't gonna lie.
You think so? And we're not even done. So obviously the lift kit is on, the wheels and tires are on. I'm still waiting on the rest of my center caps to come in this week. We still got to put traction bars on. So the mounts for the traction bars are on right here, but the traction bars, we didn't have enough time today. And I still got all the polished faceplates to do.
Yeah.
The only one that we did put on today is the control arm cap there.
I did take the faceplates. They're on the Tahoe.
Really?
Yeah.
This is the one time where I feel like the truck looks better on camera than it does in person, but it's just because you see the light color right here. On camera, that looks so good to me, and this kind of looks dark. It might just be the way the camera's looking at it, but Leonard also said that this truck looks 10 times better out in the light.
Did you film it in a way that makes it look like you put the lift kit on?
No, definitely not. I did not put the lift kit on, 1000%. I'm not even gonna lie and say that. Obviously didn't wake up thinking the truck would get lifted today, so I'm super grateful for that. And it's one of those moments where I feel like I should be jumping around like a kid, but I mean, this is something I've been dreaming about for 3, 4, 5 years, a red lift kit, red wheels, Mcgaughys kit, you know, just the KG1s, the 375s. KG1's more of a recent one, but shout out to Andy and the whole team at KG1. Shout out to Nick and Steve at Mcgaughys. They're freaking awesome. Shout out to Ian at Nitto Pit Crew. He is freaking cool as hell, and I'm super grateful to have those relationships. Brandon and Jake and Casey and everybody up here at Southern Tire, Mikey, Leonard, Meat, they all did the lift kit. And this is one of those moments humbly that I have to just show my appreciation for the moment I paid the truck off today. And now it is 100% my dream truck. I've always wanted red wheels, red lift kit. Any of you guys in the comments that have heard me talk about it, I'm sure you guys have at some point, have heard me talk about wanting a red lift kit and red wheels. It's here. I'm at a loss for words, is what it is. It doesn't seem real. There's a lot of stuff we still have to do, like I said. Rear traction bars, faceplates, center caps, all kinds of little stuff, and now there's other stuff I want to do to the truck as well. Take the wrap off the top. I'm going to color match a lot of stuff. You know, lower control arms, the springs need to get powder coated. There's a lot of little stuff I want to do to the truck now, but I just wanted to take this moment and show you guys the truck as it sits today. The official new that wide bow tie with the 2414 KG1 spreaders that will soon have the floating KG1 center caps, all illusion red. We got the 9-inch Mcgaughys kit. We did throw on the chrome faceplates today, which is cool. I'm definitely gonna add more lights to the truck because I feel like I'm not doing the wheels justice by not having wheel lights in there now, even though I really didn't want wheel lights. But I'm freaking excited. New shocks and struts all the way around. I've got the powder coated rear blocks, U-bolts, and lower mounts for the rear traction bars. And then obviously we'll have the big red traction bars that come up on the side as well to give it a little bit more color in the back. Painted the frame a little bit in the front while I was under there. It's just freaking cool, bro. It's one of those moments where if you've been fans of the channel, I've been talking about this for so many years, and it's just cool to see it come together. And it just, I've got a, I don't know, it's just cool. I don't really know what to say. And I just appreciate you guys. Really all I gotta say at this point is, let's get this bread.
This is bread, baby!